Hey guys, I'm doing another video, and I am making a video of Subway Surfers. Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Right now I am gonna make night. I think later I'm making a new. Oh yeah, later I'm making. Like when it's night, I'm making a video of a party because we're having a party of my little cousins, and I'm just making a video. And make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and leave a like on this video. So let's get in the video. Crap. What did just happen? Oh, I don't want that. So right now versus this person, I think. Well, you saw the glitch? I know you saw that glitch. This is gonna be a really short video, so make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to make them really I'm trying to make them like to 20 like 20 minutes long, 20 minutes long of the trying to make the video, but I can't because I record. I can't make the video more longer, so I'm using Mobile Zine. There's like no more like this is the only app I can use for recording. So the app that I'm using is Mobile Zine. So I'm just trying to beat this top row person. Come on, boys. Go down. Get down. Go up. Get down. Wow. I don't care. I'm just using the key. Because I am perfect. So if y'all enjoy this video, leave a comment for more videos. I keep messing it up. I keep messing it up a lot when I talk. But I'm just trying to beat this person. My goal is to beat this person and end the video. So just trying to. Come on, punk. You're going a little faster. Whoa. That's close. No. I don't care because I'm God. I'm God. No. I am God. I never die. Whoa. Shit. Wow. Let's see, a boost. Can I get a boost? Can't kiss me. Ow. How did I get hurt by that? Whoa. I'm not actually perfect with these jetpack. I'm feeling kind of sick, so I just like want to make a video because I hadn't even made videos that much. So I'm trying to get more subscribers and make videos enough for y'all to enjoy. I'm making videos so y'all can enjoy videos I make. So right now I am 108 1,400 300 whatever. Boop boop, come on. Beep boop, body boop. I'm a big pump. Oh shit, forgot about that. I thought I still had a what's it called, jump, whatever those things are, the bouncy shoes. But I'm trying to get 20,000 coins so I can get this person. I'm trying to get the ninja, the kung fu guy. So after this, I'm making a video of Minecraft, I think. But I might make a video of Minecraft. Oh, gangsta guys. Come on. I got the power. I got the power. Wait, I might make a video of Christmas right now, but not right now. I'm gonna, like, Christmas video. I'm gonna make a Christmas video. Lag. Wait. Shit. Crap. Okay. I'm good at it. One more run and I'll end the video there. Yeah. So let's see. After this one, I'm ending the video, and make sure you leave a like. I know today's video is so short, but like I have to, like, I can't like make too much videos because Mobzine, when I record like 15 or 16, I think, no, 17, when 17 minutes is up, past it, and I get like the video ends. So I'm trying to find out how to make the video more longer when I record. So I'm just looking for that, and I can make so I am ending the video right there. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for more episodes. Games. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye guys, and have a great Christmas Eve.